Look, I gotta get a real job. It's not like I can make any money dancing.
Excuse me. Honey built this studio with her dance career.
We all can't be like your daughter, Mrs. Daniels.
Well, if anybody could be, it'd be you.
When I started working on Honey 2, a sequel to my first film, which was about believing in yourself, it was important to me that this still had that kind of a theme.
The first one's about Honey Daniels and how she becomes this really amazing choreographer making music videos.
Not a lot of dance movies were out at that time. People didn't really understand or didn't really get that world unless you were in it. So it was cool being able to relate to a film like that. And when I heard about the second one, I was like, okay, I gotta do this movie.
Yeah, I don't know what day it is, don't know what time it is. All I know is we're about to battle. That's all that matters.
This movie, the dancing is more of the star because, you know, we're really, you know, focusing on crews and battling and what they go through.